Get ready to be amazed because these mind-blowing animal adaptations will leave you speechless. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to explore some of the most amazing animal adaptations on our planet. From the depths of the ocean to the highest mountains, animals have evolved incredible traits and behaviors to survive and thrive. So, get ready to be amazed as we dive into amazing animal adaptations. Before we dive into specific examples, let's talk about what adaptations are and why they are so crucial for survival. Definition of adaptation. An adaptation is a trait or behavior that has evolved over time to help an organism survive in its environment. These can be physical traits, like the thick fur of a polar bear, or behaviors, like the migratory patterns of birds. Importance of adaptations. Adaptations are essential for survival. They allow animals to find food, avoid predators, reproduce, and cope with the challenges of their environments. Types of adaptations. Adaptations can be broadly categorized into three types: physical, behavioral, and physiological. Physical adaptations are changes to an organism's body. Behavioral adaptations are changes in how an organism acts, and physiological adaptations are changes in how an organism's body functions. Now that we understand what adaptations are, let's explore some of the most amazing examples of animal adaptations in the natural world. Physical adaptations involve changes to an animal's body structure that enhance its survival. Let's look at some incredible examples. Camouflage. Many animals have developed the ability to blend into their surroundings to avoid predators or ambush prey. For example, the chameleon can change its skin color to match its environment, making it nearly invisible. Mimicry. Mimicry is when an animal evolves to look like another species. The harmless king snake, for instance, has evolved to look like the venomous coral snake, deterring predators from attacking. Armor and defense. Some animals have developed physical defenses like armor. The pangolin, for example, has tough, overlapping scales that protect it from predators. When threatened, it curls into a ball, making it nearly impenetrable. Specialized limbs. Animals have also evolved specialized limbs to help them survive. The gecko has sticky pads on its feet that allow it to climb smooth surfaces with ease, while the cheetah's powerful legs and flexible spine enable it to run at incredible speeds. Sensory adaptations. Enhanced senses are another crucial adaptation. The owl's exceptional night vision allows it to hunt effectively in the dark, while the elephant's large ears help it hear distant sounds and regulate body temperature. These physical adaptations highlight the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. Next, let's explore behavioral adaptations, which are just as fascinating. Behavioral adaptations involve changes in how animals act to increase their chances of survival. Let's delve into some remarkable examples. Migration. Many animals migrate to take advantage of seasonal resources and favorable conditions. Monarch butterflies, for example, travel thousands of miles from North America to Mexico to escape the cold winter and find suitable breeding grounds. Hibernation. Hibernation is a survival strategy used by some animals to conserve energy during periods of scarce food and harsh weather. Bears, for instance, enter a state of deep sleep during the winter, slowing their metabolism and reducing their need for food. Tool use. Some animals have developed the ability to use tools to obtain food or solve problems. Chimpanzees use sticks to extract termites from mounds, and sea otters use rocks to crack open shellfish. Social structures. Complex social structures can enhance survival by facilitating cooperation and protection. Wolves live and hunt in packs, which increases their hunting success and provides safety in numbers. Communication. Effective communication is vital for coordinating activities and warning of danger. Dolphins use a variety of clicks and whistles to communicate with each other, while bees perform intricate waggle dances to inform hive mates about the location of food sources. Behavioral adaptations demonstrate the incredible intelligence and versatility of animals in responding to their environments. Now, let's look at physiological adaptations, which involve internal processes. Physiological adaptations are changes in an animal's internal functions that help it survive in its environment. Here are some of the most astonishing examples. Thermoregulation. Some animals have developed the ability to regulate their body temperature to survive extreme conditions. Arctic foxes have a high metabolic rate that keeps them warm in freezing temperatures, while camels can withstand extreme heat by storing fat in their humps and conserving water. Oxygen utilization. In high-altitude environments, animals like the bar-headed goose have adapted to efficiently use oxygen. These birds have a higher affinity for oxygen in their hemoglobin, allowing them to fly over the Himalayas where oxygen levels are low. Toxin resistance. Certain animals have evolved to resist toxins in their environments. The rough-skinned newt produces a potent toxin called tetrodotoxin, which is lethal to most predators. Interestingly, some populations of garter snakes have developed resistance to this toxin, allowing them to prey on the newts. Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the ability to produce light through chemical reactions. Deep-sea creatures like the anglerfish use bioluminescence to attract prey in the dark ocean depths, while fireflies use it for mating displays. Water conservation. Desert-dwelling animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to conserve water. The kangaroo rat, for example, can extract water from the seeds it eats and produce highly concentrated urine to minimize water loss. Physiological adaptations showcase the remarkable ways animals have evolved to cope with their environments. Next, let's focus on specific environments and the unique adaptations of the animals that live there. Deserts are some of the most challenging environments on Earth, yet many animals have evolved incredible adaptations to survive here. Camel. Camels are the ultimate desert survivors. They can drink large amounts of water in one go and store it in their bodies. Their humps store fat, which they can metabolize for energy and water. Additionally, their thick fur insulates them from the intense desert heat. Fennec fox. The fennec fox has large ears that help dissipate heat and keep it cool. Its light-colored fur reflects sunlight, and its thick fur on the soles of its feet protects it from the hot sand. Kangaroo rat. The kangaroo rat has adapted to life in the desert by developing an ability to conserve water. It produces highly concentrated urine and dry feces to minimize water loss, and it can obtain moisture from the seeds it eats. Thorny devil. The thorny devil, a lizard native to Australia, has developed an amazing way to collect water. Its skin is covered in tiny grooves that channel water from dew and rain directly to its mouth. Sahara silver ant. The Sahara silver ant has adapted to survive the extreme heat of the desert. Its shiny, silver-colored body reflects sunlight, helping it stay cool, and it can withstand higher temperatures than most other animals. From the depths of the ocean to the highest mountains, and from the scorching deserts to the dark caves, the animal kingdom is full of amazing adaptations that allow creatures to survive and thrive in every corner of our planet. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible nature content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.